Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a zip file in your Windows super quick. Step 1. Select the file or folders you want to compress. Let me create some folder. So just click and drag to highlight them or hold down the control key and click each file. Maybe you can try shift. Right click on the selected files. A menu will pop up. Look for send to. Hover over send to and click on compressed zip folder. Windows will instantly create a zip file in the same location. Rename your zip file if you want. So this is it. You have created a zip file. Hit the like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.